Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max and today I've got a convertible 911 991 behind me. That's been in for a very popular upgrade that we do quite a lot of here at John Cleese, and that is to add Apple CarPlay onto the factory PCM 3.1 system, which came on many Porsches from this age, and also added a reverse camera. So let me give you a little show around the system so you can see what that could look like potentially on your car. Here we have the convertible. The sun is shining here at John Cleese. The convertibles are all coming out to play at the moment. We actually have a pretty much brand new 992 getting a full audio upgrade in the workshop at the moment. But this video is about this 991, which just had the Apple CarPlay and reverse camera. So this is a view of the car from the back. Our reverse camera is nice, flush and discreet, which is how we like it here. And it just sits just under there. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. It's a little bit bright outside, so I can't see the screen too well. But cameras, this little flush camera is going to give you a nice view of the road behind you when you are reversing. So you're not going to reverse into any low walls, small children, curbs, anything like that. So that's a little view of the reverse camera from the exterior. All that's run neatly behind the scenes and fitted flushly. So very neat and tidy camera solution. Hopping into the interior, a pretty familiar place to be. Got the top down to excuse the glare, but to be fair, it's not too bad. This is the factory PCM 3.1 head unit that would have come from this car from factory. Also coming on things like the Cayman, Macans, Boxsters and Cayennes and them all basically. If you've got the navigation, then you have PCM 3.1 if it looks a little bit like this. My phone is already connected up to the system, as I just connected up to it a minute ago, which is nice and easy for the first time, and it will just connect every time afterwards. So Apple CarPlay on the factory system, you can control it using the rotary control wheel here to scan around the different applications that are available in Apple CarPlay. Say if you see the app that you like, I find just giving it a little hit with the touchscreen. So this kit integrates into the touchscreen and the rotary control wheel we got down here. So this just allows you to quite freely move around the system, choose whatever song you want and get it playing. So the audio side of things, the audio on our installation works with the factory Bluetooth audio. So the phone is actually still connected to the factory PCM system 3.1 for Bluetooth audio, which means that all your calls and music is going to sound the same after you've had this upgrade. You're not going to be losing sound quality essentially doing this upgrade. It's all going to sound great through the Bose audio system, which is already installed. Well, that 992's getting the Bose system uninstalled, but anyway, less of that. So the reverse camera is quite nice and straightforward to use. You just pop it into reverse. That's reverse, Max, and then that will come up on the display like so. Gives you a nice image just so you can see everything behind you, and when you go out of reverse back into drive, that will come off the screen. And you can even add a front parking camera. We've got other videos on that also on this channel as well. So when you come out of reverse and go back into drive, it could go into a front camera image so you can watch the splitter at the front of the car. But yeah, I mean, this is Apple CarPlay. Obviously there's Android Auto available, but the system works real nicely. It's a resistive touchscreen, so it's not quite comparable to our iPhones or Android phones or smartphones today, but having the touchscreen functionality is quite nice because it just means that you can just pick and choose through your apps, and you got this rotary control dial for scanning around the apps, which is quite nice as well. Back button functions as a back button, and you can select, and you can use this phone button for Siri and also still use these buttons for picking up and answering, hanging up the calls. That's pretty much it from this video. If you want Apple CarPlay reverse camera for your Porsche or an audio upgrade for that matter, get in contact with us at John Cleese and we can get you sorted out. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.